In the fast-changing world of smartphone design, Samsung is once again pushing the boundaries with its highly anticipated flagship release, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Renowned for being at the forefront of smartphone innovations, Samsung is poised to deliver a device that not only boasts cutting-edge features, but also exhibits a captivating design that has caught the attention of tech enthusiasts and industry insiders alike. The well-known source of leaks, Ice Universe, recently shared some fascinating insights into the aesthetics of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Among the most significant revelations is the device's 4 equal-width bezels, marking a significant departure from the typical asymmetrical bezel designs seen in previous models. This means that the bezel width will be consistent on all 4 sides, resulting in a more balanced and aesthetically pleasing screen-to-body ratio. What's truly impressive is the visual comparison provided by Ice Universe between the bezels of the Galaxy S23 Ultra and the upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra. This comparison clearly illustrates a shift towards a more symmetrical and refined bezel layout, indicating Samsung's commitment to delivering a sleek and harmonious design. Moreover, discussions in the tech community have extended to the evolution of display curvature across Samsung's Ultra series. Comparing the Galaxy S22 Ultra, S23 Ultra, and the impending S24 Ultra reveals a noticeable shift from the curved display trend to a flatter screen design. This transition suggests a deliberate move towards a more streamlined, flat display, potentially aiming for improved durability and a refreshed visual aesthetic. The anticipation within the tech community regarding these leaks is palpable, as they hint at Samsung's dedication to pushing the boundaries of both form and function. The shift towards equal-width bezels and a flatter display represents a conscious departure from previous design norms. This promises a more comfortable and contemporary appearance for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, setting it apart as a potential trendsetter in smartphone design. As Samsung enthusiasts eagerly await the official unveiling, these leaks and comparisons shared by industry insiders paint an exciting picture of what the future holds for flagship smartphone design. The Galaxy S24 Ultra appears poised to redefine the standards of aesthetics and display configuration, promising a device that seamlessly marries style with functionality in an unprecedented manner. The upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra's design has generated a significant buzz in the tech world. What are your thoughts on this innovative approach to smartphone design? We invite you to share your opinions and expectations in the comments section below. Stay tuned for more updates as we approach the official launch of this exciting device. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more updates. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.